Hi there guys, I'm coming at you with a requested video of how I put in my Sclera contacts, and I'm going to try to work this out. So, and forgive me for not looking at the camera and looking at the screen, but I have placed my Scleras in here. They're in here. And I have washed my hands. I can't put it in my, this is the solution that I use. Maybe I'll back up some. This is the solution that I use. I buy it at Walmart, and you get like 2 for $6 in a pack. And I'm going to drop a few drops in there. It makes it a lot easier to get it in your eye. I'm not going to promise you I'm going to get it in the first time, but let me see. This is my after church makeup anyway. So I decided, since I was still in my makeup, I would probably go ahead and do this video. I hope that that was enough for you to see me putting it in. Yes, I did have quite a time with it. Yeah, now they feel like they were before. But I think it has to do with the makeup. When I put them in before, usually when I put my contacts in, I don't have any makeup on my face. But I wasn't about to try to do that. Where is my... So, as you can see, oof. I do have them. I did get them in. And yeah, I think it's just the makeup. That's a little bit. But as you see, there I am with my Scleras in. And to be honest with you, so far these have been the most comfortable contacts that I've had. And I've put in there. But that's the video for putting in my Scleras. All right, y'all. Talk to you in my next video. Bye-bye.